In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save email as template in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have a reusable template ready to speed up future campaigns and keep your branding consistent. First, head to your Mailerlite dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and on the main home screen where you can see your account overview. From here, look for the templates area and open My Templates. This is your library and it's where all of your saved designs will live so you can reuse them anytime. Next, choose Create Template. You'll be prompted to give your template a name. Pick something clear and specific so you can recognize it later, like a campaign type or series name. Descriptive naming saves a lot of time when your library grows. Now select the type for this template. You can choose campaign or landing page. Campaign templates are for emails you'll send to your subscribers, while landing page templates are for standalone pages you might share or promote. Pick the option that matches how you plan to use this design going forward. Click Save and continue to move into the builder. Here you'll create the actual design of your template. You can start from scratch with the drag and drop editor or choose from a preset layout. If you want a quick head start with a professional structure, pick a layout that's close to your style and click Choose. Once you're in the editor, customize the content and layout to match your brand. Replace placeholder text with your typical headings and body copy, add your logo, and set your brand colors and fonts so future emails look consistent. Arrange blocks for hero images, text sections, buttons, and footers. Keep spacing comfortable, make your call to action easy to spot, and ensure any images have concise alt text for accessibility. Think of this as your master template. Include the elements you'll want every time, like a standard header, a primary button style, and a footer with your required information. When your design is set, click Save Settings to lock in the structure and styles you've configured. This ensures your choices carry through whenever you reuse the template. Finally, click Save Template. Mailerlite will store it in your My Templates library. The next time you create a campaign or a landing page of the same type, you'll be able to select this template and jump straight into content instead of rebuilding the design from scratch. That's it. You've created and saved a Mailerlite template you can rely on for fast, consistent communications. Thanks for watching and happy building.